Hi everyone, welcome to Science. In science, we are starting to do something new. We are going to be doing lots and lots of experiments. We're going to be testing things, putting things together to see what happens, making things. It's going to be really, really exciting. But to make sure we're doing it like scientists. So we have to think like scientists, okay? A scientist is someone who looks at things or tests things to find out why it's happening. So let's do good scientists do. Well, they make predictions. This means they guess. It means like guessing. It means you say something like, I think if I pick up this egg and drop it, what do you think will happen if I drop my egg? You have made a prediction. Fantastic. That is what we do as scientists. Okay? So, making predictions. We ask questions. Scientists ask questions. Oh, Miss Anderson dropped her egg. It broke. We ask, why? Why did it break? What happened to the egg to make it break? How can I help Miss Anderson so her egg does not break? Okay, that's asking questions. Good scientists observe. So that means look, they watch things happen. Remember when we planted our beans, we watched them and we waited and we watched and we wrote down what we saw happening. That is observing. You already are scientists. Scientists measure. That means you look at how long something takes or how much of something happens. When we got the ruler and we measured our bean, we were being scientists, okay? You can measure how big something gets. You can measure how much of something. You can measure time, how long it takes. So, we're going to be learning all of those things for science for the rest of the year. Let's get started. The first experiment that we're going to do to help us learn to be scientists is we are going to try and make a bouncy egg. A bouncy egg? You know, bouncy ball, boing, boing, boing. Can we make a bouncy egg? And how can we do it? Why does it happen? So, today, you need these things. You need one egg. You need a glass or a plastic cup. It must be, do you remember the word we used to see through? That's right, transparent. A transparent glass or plastic glass. You also need this. It's called vinegar. I don't know the Arabic word. Do you know the Arabic word? You have to ask your mummy or daddy, okay? I have sent them on Dojo the name, so you should have it. It needs to be, it's called white vinegar because it's clear. Sometimes it's brown, okay? Those are the things you need. If you have food colouring, you can use food colouring to change the colour, but I'm not going to do that. So, today, very simple. You're going to get your glass very carefully so it doesn't break. Put your egg inside your glass. Have you done that? Okay, do that now. Right. Now, the next step is get your vinegar and you're going to pour the vinegar on top of your egg. Like that. So it is above the level of the egg. Maybe a little bit more. Okay? Can you smell it? That's very vinegary. So, this is all we are doing today. Okay? So you're going to put this in a safe place. Okay? I'm going to put mine in a safe place. And you're going to leave it there. On Thursday, we are going to have a look at our eggs and we're going to do the next part of our experiment. But today, in your seesaw, you're going to make a prediction. There's a page there and it asks you to predict what you think will happen to the egg. You are also every day going to observe your egg. Don't take it out. Don't walk around the house with it because you might drop it, but just look at it. Can you see anything interesting happening to you? I want you to make a prediction. That is a guess. So here, what will happen to the egg? Tell me your prediction. If you are a penguin or an elephant, you just need to record and tell me, okay? If you are a chick, I would like you to have a go at writing it. I predict that the egg will, do nothing. Or get bigger, get smaller, okay? Have a guess, see if you can write it. If that's super tricky to write it, chicks, then just do it this way. Don't forget to leave your egg, but to keep looking at it, to observe it all the time. Okay? Thank you.